Come back. We want to see you. Show yourselves. There you are. There they are. Oh. You know what I love is that they really swim with a porpoise. Nobody else.
You know, I got swim to conscious for you guys.
Oh.
I was just gonna say that, interestingly enough, when I was there, if I would see it, then before I would realize it's a dolphin, the heart attack would probably kicked in already.
Yeah. I do have to say, it's the first time I've ever seen a dolphin.
What?
Yeah.
Look at them.
Look at them, they're just hanging out there.
As if they're hunting a shark.
Yeah, I've only seen them on TV. Never seen them in real. Oh, there's a bunch. Man, they're all over the place here. We got 2, 3, 4. Yeah, there's 4. Yeah. Who knew? I get them. I'm getting one for dinner. Oh, well.